Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to toggle on or off the pause when minimized setting in Nioh 3. Let's begin by opening the system menu. From there, navigate to the basic game settings. Of course, if you are mid-game, you will need to first press the escape key or the menu key, then press the gear icon that opens the system menu. When you are here, press the basic game settings and swap to the last page. Here near the bottom is the pause when window is inactive setting, as is displayed here if possible, so it's not foolproof, but it's still quite useful for you if you need to Alt-Tab or simply minimize the window to get something done outside of the game. You can of course toggle it on or off, and to save the changes, press the back button. Press it once again to back out of the system menu, and if you are in the middle of your game, your playthrough, press the back button once again to close the upper menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.